Need help generating leads for your business? Check out these tips. Do you know anything about the topic of lead generation? Do you need a quick primer to find out all you can? This video has all of the tips and tricks you need today. As soon as you get started watching it, you will also be preparing yourself for future success. Make an offer to potential leads that is hard to refuse. This can be a discount, a giveaway, or some source of information that they've been dying to have. It needs to be relevant to them, or else you'll never get them to respond. Try a few different things to see what works the best. Check out events in your area and see if there's a way you can use them to generate leads. For example, if there is a cycling race, buy a sponsorship package. Then you can get yourself on TV talking about it, or in the paper, or just talk to people who are there to watch. Do not prejudge your lead gathering technique. Though you may think you are not going to get great results, or you are overly confident about the success, you cannot be sure. The only way to know if your lead generation is working is to put it into action without preconceived ideas about results. Talk to business owners in related industries. They may be willing to share leads with you, by sending their customers your way. For example, if you own a shop where you sell balloons, talking to a florist about a joint venture is a great way to get leads from another business. With so many great tips available to you, all you can do now is put them to use. Take your time as you craft your strategies so that your leads will begin to generate. The sooner they do, the sooner you'll see your profits increase and your business begin to boom. Student loan.